All right, guys, welcome to another edition of What's Cooking. So today what we're doing is we are cooking New York strip steaks. But what we're going to be doing that not everyone always does is we're going to be doing what's called a reverse sear. So we're going to cook it fully on the grill first, and then we're going to sear it in a cast iron at the end. Let's see what you think. All right, so here we've got our beautiful New York strips. These are grass-fed, and we're going to be seasoning these very generously, but very simply as well to get a good taste of the meat. So we've got them here, and it's just going to be salt and freshly ground black pepper. All right, so we're going to be cooking our steaks on the Traeger out here in my backyard. Let's get this bad boy ready. All right, first thing we want to do is we want to make sure we got plenty of pellets. So I need to add some pellets. Now we really just use the Traeger gourmet blend that we always get at Costco, because I've not really ever tasted a significant difference when I use different flavors of wood. So we just use the gourmet blend. Let's fill that up. All right, hopper full. Now it's time to preheat the grill. So we're just gonna turn it on to smoke, just the first notch. And open it up and let it smoke. All right, now that the grill is warmed up and the smoke's coming out, we are going to close it up and turn this up 325. And that's what we're going to cook our steaks at. All right, the grill is ready and preheated at 325. Let's put our steaks on. Set them on. And then I'm going to check those with a thermometer when they reach an internal temperature of right around 125, 130. I'm going to pull them off. That way they're done medium rare. And then I'll finish them off in the skillet to reverse sear them. And then they should be medium. Okay, steaks are at 130 now. So they're going to come out. All right, steaks are done. You ready for dinner?
Yes.
All right, we got steak, corn, toast, potato salad, and some quinoa tabbouleh. Bon appetit. All right, first bite of steak. Good?
Mm-hmm.
All right. All right, now it's my turn. Yeah, it's definitely good. The salt, crust kind of on it. It's good. That's yummy.